This is the royal way of Gdansk. For centuries, kings entered the city through this route, from the Upland Gate to the Green Gate by the river. What looks like a street today was once a stage of power, ceremony, and ambition. Let's walk it together. The royal way begins here, at the Upland Gate. Built in 1588, it was once the main western entrance to Gdansk. Its name comes from the hills beyond, upland, in a city surrounded by flat land. Look closely. Above the gate are 3 coats of arms: the Black Eagle of Royal Prussia, the crowned White Eagle of Poland, and the 2 crosses of Gdansk. Together, they tell the story of a city shaped by both Polish and German worlds. Just beyond the Upland Gate stands the Golden Gate. Unlike the gate behind us, this one was never meant to defend the city. It was meant to impress. Built in the early 17th century, the Golden Gate marked the ceremonial entrance to Gdansk. Look up. The figures above represent the virtues the city valued most: wisdom, piety, justice, and harmony. Below them, an inscription delivers a quiet warning: concord builds small states, discord destroys great ones. Passing through this gate, the city opens itself, not with walls, but with ideas. Uphagen House offers a rare look inside an 18th century home on Gdansk's royal way. From the outside, it appears narrow, a result of city taxes based on facade width. But inside, the house stretches deep, designed around light, privacy, and social order. Visitors were received in an elegant front room, meant to impress. Daily life unfolded farther back, around a quiet inner courtyard that brought light into the home. The house was built in 1776 for Johann Uphagen, a city councillor and judge, who blended classical symmetry with Rococo detail. By his own wish, the interiors were preserved, allowing us to step into Gdansk as it once was. FrDr's house once belonged to one of Gdansk's most powerful families. The FrDrs were wealthy merchants and city leaders, shaping Gdansk during its golden age. This wasn't just a home, it was a statement of status. This is the House of Schumann. Its statues of ancient gods weren't decoration. They signal knowledge, wealth, and influence. Looking for Gdansk's crown jewel? The main town hall stands tall with its Gothic Renaissance spire. Step inside to see grand halls, golden decorations, and a historic clock, a must-visit on the royal way. This is Artus Court, once the heart of Gdansk's elite life. Merchants met here, deals were made, and legends were born. Inside is one of Europe's most impressive historic interiors. At the heart of the Long Market stands Neptune, the god of the sea. Installed in the 17th century, this fountain became the symbol of Gdansk's maritime power. For centuries, everything here revolved around water, trade, wealth, and connection to the wider world. Neptune reminds us that Gdansk didn't just face the sea, it lived by it. Along the Long Market stand former royal residences. When Polish kings visited Gdansk, they stayed here, turning merchant houses into temporary royal homes. This is the Amber House on the Long Market. From this window, legend says a young woman named Hedwig once looked out. She was the heroine of a famous 19th century novel, a girl imprisoned by her uncle, forever watching the Long Market. This is the Golden House, one of the most magnificent facades on the royal way. Built in the early 17th century for a wealthy mayor of Gdansk, it was designed to impress. Every sculpture tells a story of power, virtue, and ambition. More than a home, the Golden House was a message, announcing success in a city at the height of its golden age. The royal way ends at the Green Gate, opening from ceremony to the river and from Gdansk to the world.